skirt. Okay, sorry, I got a cold. Sexy lady on the floor. Army color. Color? What? Color? You should say color, mother. Here it is. Me, right? Hi, this is my eye, this is my nose.
Three, two, one.
Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Flo Baite. It's been a while I didn't post any video or vlog. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but here I am. I'm back with another vlog. Okay, today we have a lot of changes, new background, new haircut. Okay, that's it. And today's video will be I brought some 10 rupees, 30 rupees, 50 rupees dress from the market in our place, Churachandpur district, Manipur, and the new Bazaar. That one I brought, and I'm gonna show it one by one, okay? And okay, let's get straight to the video. Lang ko ako ngayon. Tan-taran! Here we got iron vega himo. All of them I ironed it, but bang di kita tawem because at that time I cannot show the video, so kakoy na halachon manager ji ahita. This is skirt. Okay, sorry, I got a cold. I'm gonna pick it first, okay? Okay, I'm back. Okay, I already picked the cold. Okay, let's get back to the video. And this is it, only 10 rupees. Here we got zipper, and here is the pen. Outside let's skirt outside it's a skirt and inside it's a pen. Okay, half pen or shorts, I don't know. And it is made in Korea. That's a fashion. As we know, Korea are high in fashion, so we love to wear their product, I guess. Not only me, you guys also know very well. Okay, then let's get back to one. This, what happened? What happened? Okay, here. Iron vega chonjing pen pom tolo. Anyway, this is, I gave 30 rupees this one. A long south also. This. That's a part of it's made with steel, I think. And this is also made in Korea. Korea if I can read Korean language. Anyway, this is it. I brought it. I give 30 rupees. Okay, next one we got one pen again. Here, pau putih color. It's neon green. It's 30 rupees, I guess. I brought it with that pen. I give 50 rupees together, 50 rupees. And when I wear this, if you saw me on the street or somewhere, just call me, okay? Oh, I saw Flo Baite there. So I love people to recognize me, so I bought this. Okay, whenever I wear this or saw me on the street or somewhere, you just call me, okay? Okay. Then this also very chon kasop chingi, but here we got dress. Did them bangki tile ham ke vanti mai ti uji ai ta no pi te van gol gol hi le and design new khar om je ga hi ka le te ka foundation new khar banga le chu ti for inten. This is for 30 rupees. Okay, let's go to the next one. Here we got another shirt. This is it. It is made in Korea. This also I give it 30 rupees. Okay. I got one. Kiting dildal he bangti genta. Shaking.
What?
Shaking. How do we call in English this type of dress? This, what to say? I don't know. Whatever. Kiting tayin tin. This dress is so nice. Very nice, me. I give it 30 rupees. This. Here we go, one again, made in Korea. I love Korea product. Okay, and this is almost army color, or army dress, not army color. Army color. What color is this? A color, mother. Anyway, this I give it with this. This two is only 50 rupees. Okay, they sell it for 30 rupees, but I give it 50 rupees. Okay, here we go. One, this is also 30 rupees. It is also made in Korea, and I love this. You can see me, right? Hi, this is my eye, this is my nose, and I gave it 30 rupees again. Let's go to the next one. Here we got the neon yellow one again. Okay, with that pen or this dress, if you saw me around the road or the street, you call me. Okay, this also only 30 rupees. Nice, it's so very nice. I soak them in the water with detergent powder and then wash with Comfort. You know Comfort? If you stay in India, you'll know Comfort. Anyway, we got one dress again. This is also made in Korea, and here there's something, I don't know how to say this design or something like that. It's a long sleeve. Here they got some hairband. So
What?
This, okay, this is also only 30 rupees, but it's nice. Okay, here we got one. This is it. Smells so good. This is it, 30 rupees, and this is also made in Korea, and I didn't see the hole when I brought it, but it's okay, no problem. It's only 30 rupees. Smells so good. Okay, the last but not the least, we got jeans shirt, jeans t-shirt, not a t-shirt, jeans, what, I don't know. This is also made in Korea, and I give it only 10 rupees. This is only 10 rupees. Here we got something design or something like that, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna wear it and sew it, but I have one box to open, so I'm gonna sew it. Okay, it is from SSS, which means street style store. Okay, this is a long boot up to knee length, no, thigh length. As winter is approaching very near, we would like to buy a new boot. So especially for girls, it's time to wear boots. So you may like to buy it from SSS. So let's give some review. Okay, oh my god, I don't think you can see it, but my background is black, so it's not visible. Also, so sorry, but here it is. My size is 39, exactly my size. This is it, and it's a sweat on in their website. it was $6.99, I guess. But when I ordered it, they got it what GTP or something like that. I don't know what. I brought it in. Altogether, I gave 1,100. But in their website, it was $6.99. Yeah, it's $6.99. See, it's not bad, but the quality is not so good. You better buy a good brand, okay? Anyway, I'm gonna wear it one by one and I'm gonna show it, okay? Stay tuned. This is the bomb. Okay, hot lang ya. Ang panini. Jungle boot. Okay, I'm gonna wear it and come back. Stay tuned. Okay, that's all for the dress. I hope you like it and enjoy it. And me, I don't like to wear expensive dress, but when it comes to Sunday dress, it's compulsory. Then for staying at home or going out, I just wear 50 rupees, 20 rupees, that's all. This also, this t-shirt also, I gave only 50 rupees. It's so comfy to wear. But when it comes to shoes, I don't want to wear cheap shoes again. It's not comfortable because of that branded daw ako. Kabut gel mo king to hong pa ko la cho. Man to mo ko to pu but when it comes to dress, I only wear 30 rupees, 10 rupees or 50 rupees. That's it. Aji chu sumne ki nei lo baga. Man tam ta eva aga kharve nu me di chu. Kharve ya ki doi ngai lo chu dei go le le chu. Okay. Let's head in here, and thanks for watching. If you like it, give a thumbs up and do share and comment down below. Okay, which one is the best one? Please comment down below. Okay. Okay, let's end it here and bye.